Dell often offers student discounts on its products, allowing eligible students to save money on laptops, desktops, monitors, and other electronics. The availability and details of the student discount can vary by region and may change over time. To access the Dell student discount, you typically need to go through a verification process to confirm your student status. Here's a general guide on how you might access a Dell student discount. Visit the Dell student discount page. Check Dell's official website or student discount portal. Dell often has a dedicated section for student discounts. Verify your student status. You will likely need to verify your student status through a third-party verification service. This may involve providing your school email address or other proof of enrollment. Receive your discount code. Once your student status is verified, you should receive a discount code or access to special pricing for eligible products. Apply the discount. When making a purchase on the Dell website, enter the provided discount code during the checkout process. The discount should be applied to the total cost of your order. Check for promotions. In addition to the standard student discount, Dell may also have special promotions or seasonal sales that could provide additional savings. Keep in mind that the specific steps and eligibility criteria can change. So it's a good idea to check the official Dell website or contact Dell customer support for the most up-to-date information on student discounts.